What's up guys, it's Travis. The Makita 5007MG is an amazing circular saw except for one major flaw. It does not come with a dust port for dust collection or any option to add one. But as you can see here, I figured that out and I'm going to show you how I did it right now. Circular saws pump out dust like nobody's business and they make a giant mess. A dust port allows you to connect a shop vac or a dust collector to it, and you can collect a large percentage of that dust. The Makita 5007MG doesn't have a dust collection port, but I noticed that one of Makita's newer models does. This is the Makita 5008MG circular saw, and it appeared strangely similar to the 5007MG, except it had a screw for an optional dust port. I did a little bit of research, and I found the port that the 5008 used, and I ordered one. It was a bit of a risk, but I took a chance. I put a link to this one down below. When it showed up, I was super excited to see if it would fit in my saw. But I could tell right away my saw was going to need a few modifications to be able to use this port. The first thing I had to do was make a small notch for this finger to go into. So I carefully marked out its location and then removed a little material at a time until the port locked into the blade guard, but also sat all the way down on it. To make this notch, I carefully drilled holes around the perimeter of the notch. Then I broke the piece out and carefully filed the edges until the finger of the port perfectly fit into the notch. Once I had the notch cut perfectly and the port sat all the way down in the guard, I marked out where the screw hole needed to be. I figured out that an M3 screw was about the perfect size for this. It was big enough to not strip out, but it was small enough to fit perfectly on this little spot right here. So then I drilled out the hole and made some threads with this M3 by 0.5 tap. Then I attached the port to the saw and it fit just like it was made for it. Even the blade guard still functions properly. I use a DeWalt dust extractor, which has a special fitting, so I ordered the adapter for that and I put a link to that down below as well. As you can see with this dust port, I can collect most of the dust that I make with this saw and my shop stays much, much cleaner. I hope this quick video helped you guys with this frustrating issue with this great saw. If it did, please hit like and subscribe and check out one of these other awesome videos over here. We'll see you guys. A dust port allows you to connect a dust collection system or a dust extractor to it, collecting a high percentage. Why can't I get this right? Okay.